So the big question is this: how do investors like us who trade options and manage our own money generate income regardless of where the stock market goes, and do it all in a way that lets us make time for the people and things we love, and yet still build wealth and remain profitable? That's the question, and this podcast will give you the answer. I'm your host, Kirk Duplessis, and you're listening to The Daily Call from Option Alpha. Hey everyone, this is Kirk here again from Option Alpha, and welcome back to The Daily Call. Today we're going to answer the question, what time of day do options expire? So this is an important question because as you're getting closer to options expiration, even trading options during the last day of expiration, it's really important to know what time of day they expire. Now, there is a difference between the time of day that they expire and the time of day that you can exercise or assign the contract and the time of day that they stop trading. So there's a lot of different days and times that are kind of rolled up into one. So the first thing you have to understand is that for most option contracts, they actually stop trading at 4 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. And so that's when you can place your last potential possible trades in the market to close your position or remove the position from your account or get rid of the option position completely. So that's the last kind of trading time during the day. But when you actually look at when the options expire, in many cases, they actually expire later in the evening, that time after hours trading. So if the stock that you're trading ends the day at $5 per share at 4 o'clock, but actually starts trading up to $6 a share in after hours trading in like the hour and a half after that, then you could actually be subjective to that option contract going in the money or not, depending on how you're set up, because of that after hours trading. So you have to keep that into account. You got to keep in mind that where the option stops trading at the end of the day, it's not necessarily where it will expire at the end of the day, because it has to include after hours trading if they do. The other thing you have to remember is that different exchanges like the NASDAQ and CBOE, the Chicago Board of Options Exchange, have different times in which you have to send in your notices for expiring options to convert them or exercise them. So in the case of the NASDAQ, they publicly say about 5:30. The CBOE, I think right now says about 3 o'clock on the last trading day, third Friday of the month. So again, you just got to double check and see, maybe potentially where those contracts are, or if anything, just basically, if you want to exercise your contract or assign it, you would want to do it literally the last day of expiration early in the morning. And at that point, you've probably made your decision whether you want to keep the contract or keep the stock or not. So the rule of thumb here is don't give yourself the last minute of the trading day to make a decision. Make those decisions during the week of expiration. At that point, most of the option contract extrinsic value, time value, and volatility value is out. You're basically just dealing with intrinsic value or the value if it was assigned or exercised. So make those decisions on whether to close or remove the positions early in the expiration week. Don't run it all the way up till the end, and then you have to deal with all these different time parameters. So hopefully this helps out. As always, if you guys have any questions, let me know. And until next time, happy trading. Thanks for joining us on The Daily Call. Be sure to subscribe right now for more daily options trading ideas, strategies, and tactics to help you learn how to place smarter, more profitable trades. And if you like what we're doing, don't forget to give us a rating and a review so we can continue to bring you the best daily content possible. We'll see you again tomorrow, right here on The Daily Call from OptionAlpha.com.